Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how did I make my project, which is a kinematic calculator. Unfortunately, we had so many errors in the project, so we decided to make it just calculate the final velocity instead of all of the quantities. So the main storyboard is connected to the to this interface, to this view controller. We have a vertical and horizontal. When the user clicks the vertical, the Seek is gonna control it, and it will go to the vertical view controller. When it clicks the horizontal, it goes to the horizontal. Right. So we didn't do any kind of coding in this particular view controller because we don't need to. And in the horizontal motion, here are the outlets. We brought the outlets of the text fields and the labels, and that's the function for the calculate. When the calculate is clicked, it's gonna change the value of final speed to final speed calculated value of v final, and that's the variable that is going to get the value from the text field of v initial, and that's the same thing for x. Is the same thing for t, and these are they're the same as these ones. We don't have to do them, but I did it to simplify, to find the v final easily instead of using input variable. Okay, so that one is going to result the final speed of this label and change it to final speed. That's the concatenation of the found v final. That's the equation for the horizontal motion. We did exactly the same thing for vertical motion. Here are the outlets, defining variables, final value, and resulting them. As you can see, each main controller has its own Swift file. Oh, sorry. For example, the main storyboard has this Swift file, and horizontal motion has this Swift file, which is horizontal Swift. I call it horizontal Swift. I made it file new. By the way, the seeds that I used, they can be done in many ways, but you can search through the internet to these ways. But I used Cocoa classes. Okay, so this is the similarity we have here, and when I click the vertical, it's going to go to the vertical view controller, or view controller, yes. Horizontal to go to it will go to the horizontal screen or view controller. So let's check the vertical motion. For instance, let's say the initial velocity is 10, change in y is like the height is 60, acceleration is constant, and time is 2. Calculate. There you go. The final speed is 50 meters per second.